We'll guide you through how to find Dropbox on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to www.dropbox.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Click it and enter your email and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Sign Up button to create one by entering your details and following the prompts. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. If you prefer using Dropbox as a desktop app, you can download it by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Install. This will bring you to a page where you can download the Dropbox desktop application. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. After installation, Dropbox will appear as a folder on your computer. You can access it like any other folder and drag and drop files directly into it to upload them. The desktop app also offers the convenience of syncing your files automatically, so you always have access to the latest versions. If you need to find Dropbox in the future, you can simply search for it in your computer's search bar, or bookmark the Dropbox website in your browser for easy access. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.